Skin tightening can be considered as an anti-aging procedure. Skin tightening refers to a range of cosmetic treatments designed to improve skin firmness and elasticity. It is often used to address sagging and other signs of aging caused by natural decline of collagen and elastin in the skin. Skin tightening can be achieved through various methods. This includes non-invasive and also minimally invasive procedures. The aim of skin tightening treatments is to stimulate collagen and elastin production, which then helps the skin to retain its structure and elasticity. The methods we choose will depend on the desirable results, the area being treated, and the patient's skin condition. Common skin tightening techniques include 1, which is radiofrequency or RF, which uses the heat to stimulate collagen production in the dermis. Another technique is to use ultrasound therapy, which delivers focused ultrasound energy to tighten the skin, and this is commonly known as HIFU. Another one being mentioned is using laser treatments, which stimulate collagen renewal with minimal downtime. However, this is less effective than the two mentioned above. And there is also microneedle RF or MRF. These are tiny needles with radiofrequency energies to promote collagen remodeling. When it comes to skin tightening, one may also consider thread lifts. These use dissolvable threads to lift and tighten the skin. There are many benefits to skin tightening. 1. It improves skin elasticity and firmness. 2. It reduces wrinkles, fine lines, and sagging skin. And 3. It boosts collagen production for long-term skin health. Skin tightening is suitable for individuals with mild to moderate skin laxity or loose skin, those who are looking for a non-surgical way to improve skin appearance, and those people who want preventative anti-aging measures. So who are not ideal candidates? Those patients with loose skin or excessive skin will probably benefit more from surgical options. So what are the key considerations? One is to seek advice from someone who can offer a range of options. And one must also understand its limitations. Non-surgical methods offer gradual, subtle results, while surgical options provide a more dramatic change. When you consider having these treatments, it is important that you understand maintenance is a necessity. Some treatments require multiple sessions or maintenance to achieve and sustain results. Therefore, budget and time is important. Skin tightening procedures vary in cost and recovery time, so you must build these factors into your decision. In summary, skin tightening can be a highly effective way to improve skin firmness and combat signs of aging. As a side note, it is also important to consider having skin boosters and also biostimulators as anti-aging, together with skin tightening procedures.
Please like, subscribe, and comment.